everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about scandal, guys, the love triangle between Nonzi, Zinzile and Mlungisi. It's been a month of fighting between Zinzile and her husband. They've been through a lot together and they've managed to save their marriage and relationship, but this time, guys, it looks completely different. Mlungisi cheated with Mama Omphile in the past and Zinzile forgave him and accepted his daughter Omphile as her own. Just one mistake of sleeping with Nyomo kids, Mlungisi is failing to forgive his wife, the mother of his children. Why is it so difficult for them to forgive their partners? I don't know if Mlungisi was paying a revenge or what, but he decided to date the tenant right under Zinzile's nose. They kept it as a secret until Zinzile tricks them and find the truth. Guys, what surprised me is that Mlungisi doesn't want to officially end things with Umagastelo. I mean, Zinzile asked him if he still loves her or not, and he failed to answer. August Tears has revealed that Nonzi will show Mlungisi her true colors. She will trick him into signing the biggest Ngema asset to her, which is the house, obviously. I really feel sorry for the kids. Guys, before I end this video, I have this question for you. Would you advise Zinzile to continue fighting for her marriage, or you can advise her to move on with her life without Mlungisi? Please comment below and share your opinion.